I'm gonna start off with something simple that I've already featured on my channel before. This is just marble contact paper, and I have a very specific marble contact paper that I personally am the biggest fan of. Well, I love the hints of warm tones in this. A lot of marble contact paper is very cool toned, which is like very traditional marble, but I love the fact that this has like some warm tones in it. So this is a marble contact paper that I've used on my channel before. I actually redid my entire bathroom with this contact paper, and it's currently still on my bathroom countertop. If you're not sure what contact paper is, it is essentially a removable just like self-adhesive oversized sticker that has a print on it. But I love resurfacing like countertops or resurfacing DIY projects, and also it's durable, it's waterproof, so you can use it really anywhere, and it's just great to resurface something that maybe you didn't like and just make a new item out of it. The next item I got is actually a doormat, and you guys are probably like, what do you mean a doormat? It is actually a full-on doormat, and this is the one that I got. Amazon actually has some really amazing doormats, and especially from this brand, I'm gonna link it below, Callaway Mills. This is such a thick, nice quality doormat, especially for the price that I paid, and I thought it was so funny and quirky. So basically, when your guest walks in, it says, hey there, and then when they end up leaving, it says, take care. So it's just like a nice little sentiment put outside your door. I think anyone could have a doormat, especially if you live in an apartment complex. Just spark a little bit of your personality outside of your door. I think it's always nice. I actually have a wreath on my door at all times. Now this next item is more of a home decor find, but I just loved it. Home decor can kind of be tricky on Amazon, so I kind of wanted to incorporate a couple items I think that are super cute, but also very affordable from Amazon, of course. And I got these little book stoppers, or you can use them for really whatever. You can just use it as a decor piece if you want to, but they're little golden hands, and the price on these was amazing. I love gold and brass tones in my room. Like, just look at how pretty this would look. So nice, and you can just like put your books in there, whatever you want to do. It's great for a bookshelf, and again, it was very affordable, so I thought this was just a nice home decor find. Everything also in this video, guys, every single thing is Prime. I made sure it was all primable. I am not interested in buying an unprimable item. I'm sorry. I just need everything to get here in 1 business day or 2 business days at max. I'm going to be putting them on my bookshelf for sure, so you're probably going to see them in the background of videos in the future. Okay, next up is kind of more of a DIY item, or something that you could use for your DIY projects, but I loved that I found these, and I've been using them. I've already gone through 1 full bag of them. I've used them on my channel before, but I haven't really talked about them. They are the Gorilla Glue glue sticks, and have you guys ever heard of Gorilla Glue glue sticks? Because I have not, and if you do not know what Gorilla Glue is, it is an extremely, extremely strong holding glue. And of course, hot glue is strong holding, but when you mix Gorilla Glue and hot glue together, it's just like a world of amazingness. You can basically use these in just a traditional hot glue gun, but the thing I love is that the bonding and just like the hold of it is so much more strong than a traditional hot glue stick. And this works on so many different surfaces. It works on wood, metal, glass, plastic, floral, fabric, leather, foam, and more. So I just love how strong this is, and I also love how it's just something so simple. Like, it's just a different glue stick you can put in the glue gun you already use, and it just works so much better. An item that I don't exactly have in my hands, but you can find right here, is this fake hanging plant. I get so many questions about this plant, you guys, on my channel. This is from Amazon. I am literally obsessed with it. It looks so real, and I've had it for like 1.5 years or 2 years. It's super affordable, but I also love the fact that it's so big. I'll give you guys, of course, like an overview of what the plant actually looks like, because it's just like sitting right here. I am personally one that doesn't have a green thumb. Like, it is so hard for me to keep a plant alive. I have done it before, but I find myself traveling a lot, or just working a lot, or being away from home, so I don't have all the time to come in and like water my plants. I know it's not the best type of plant to have. I would definitely prefer a real plant for sure, but I think this emulates a real plant very well, and I really like this one. I'm gonna link that one for you guys below in the description box, but I really love that fake plant. Okay, so these next 2 items are kind of similar, and they are items that we actually could have DIY'd, but the price on these just made me like gasp when I saw it, because you could be using that time on a different DIY project, because these items are such nice quality and the price was insane. So the first one is this hanging macrame mirror, and how cute is this? Like, very Urban Outfitters, very $50. You don't want to spend that price point, but I think this was on Amazon for literally like $8, and it looks so nice. It has a little hexagon shaped mirror in there. The whole thing is fully macrame, and it has like strings hanging down. It has this really pretty macrame ring at the top, and I just thought the quality of this item was amazing for the price, and I wanted to share it with you guys, even though I know it is a project that we could have recreated. I think I'm blinding the camera. I just wanted to share it because I really like the way that it looked. they were so affordable. I wanted to get one more as well. This one is super pretty. Check this out. It is just a macrame hanging wall art decor piece, and I just really liked it. It's super, super intricate. Like, something like this would take you multiple hours to create, so to be able to buy it for just a couple of dollars, I wanted to test out the quality and see how it was, and it's amazing. Top-notch quality for sure. I think you can easily steam these strings to make them hang nicer at the bottom, but overall, I really love these macrame finds that I got, so I'm going to be hanging these up in my room or using them in future like room makeovers for sure, and I'm just very pleased with them. Another item I don't exactly have on me, but is over in the corner of my room, is my clothing rack. And I absolutely love my clothing rack. I found it on Amazon. I think it was like $35 to $40, and I just love it. It is a black kind of industrial pipe looking clothing rack, and I just think it's super simple, very easy. It holds a lot of pieces too, but it's not too big. And I also like how it has like a shoe rack on the bottom, so you can place your shoes across it as well, which I love. It's durable, it's not wobbly at all, and I can put a ton of stuff on it, and I typically just change the clothing on there per season or per month, whatever I'm just feeling the vibe of. You can also just like use it as a little bit of a decor element in your room and display some of your more pretty clothing items if you want to, but I just really like this clothing rack, and I think it's a great one if you're looking for one. Moving into organization, now this is an item that I purchased that I'm actually so excited to put in my closet because I need more shoe storage. I do have shoe storage, of course, on the clothing rack I just shared with you guys and also in my closet a little bit, but I found this on Amazon, and it is just an over-the-door shoe rack, and I know a lot of you guys have probably seen these before, but for the affordable price on Amazon, I just wanted to put it in the video because maybe you didn't think of it, or you can use it in different ways. So basically this just goes over your door in your closet or wherever you want to do, so it's on the back side hidden, and you're able to use the pockets to store shoes in. You can also put belts in them. You can really put anything you want in it. It's just like an over-the-door storage container that has tons of pockets, and I'm just very excited because I have so many extra shoes on my floor at the moment, and I just need to get them up and just stored away so I'm not tripping over them in my closet. So I picked this up. I know a lot of us love faux fur when it comes to home decor. I think it definitely can add a very cozy element to your space. So I picked up this simple little lumbar faux fur pillow on Amazon, and it's so cute. Like, it's just so simple. I wanted to share with you guys. It was super, super affordable. And sometimes these can be kind of hard to find, I feel like, for an affordable price point for sure. And the quality on this one is amazing. The fur actually kind of looks like legit. Not that I want it to look legit, but it looks nice quality. It's not like matted or crusted or anything, and I like how it's kind of piecey as well. So they have this in a ton of different colors. I just got the white one because it's simple and easy, and I'm just going to store this away, honestly, to use in a future room makeover. I am so excited about this home decor find I found, and I've been wanting one of these for so long, but every time I find one of these, it's just not the style I want. It's either not the color of what I want, the background color is wrong, and it is simply a letterboard. And what is a letterboard? It's just basically like this board that's kind of felted, and you can actually spell out and put your own mementos on here with the letters that come with it. So this is kind of like what it comes with, these little letter sheets. You get 4 of these, and you can spell out whatever you want on here. It's very minimalistic and modern for sure, so you could actually hang this on your wall and sort of use it as a wall decor piece. You could put an inspirational quote on here. You can just put a simple word like this if you want to and put it by your door. You can really do whatever you would like, and I just like the customization of this item. Like, you can just really do whatever you want, make it your own, make it super cute, and just add whatever you want on here. Okay, rolling into my last 2 items. The first one is a second set of these that I've actually picked up. I've used these before, but I've never talked about them, and these are called powerful hooks, and these are from Amazon. They are very similar to like a Scotch command hook in the way that they are like a stick-on removable wall hook, but these literally hold 13 pounds of weight. The Scotch ones, I think, hold like 2 to 3 pounds each, and these hold 13 pounds. So I wanted to share these with you guys because they're such a strong and powerful hook as compared to like the Scotch ones, because I've used those before and sometimes they actually do fall. These are great because you can literally use these on the ceiling and the hook will swivel down and you could hang a plant on it. Like, full on, if you can't drill into your ceiling, if you want to do something, these are great powerful hooks for sure. And I'm going to share with you guys my last item, and this is definitely something more to upcycle something you already have or use to DIY a project in the future. And these are just hairpin legs. And what are hairpin legs? It is just a set of 4 legs, and I've been looking for these everywhere. I actually was looking on Craigslist because I didn't know you could actually just buy these. At first I thought they were a little bit hard to find, but I found this super affordable set on Amazon. You get a set of 4 of them, and they're just a really nice mid-century sort of modern-esque industrial style hairpin leg, and I love this leg. So if you want to redo a nightstand, you can put these legs on it to instantly upgrade sort of like the style of it, give it a brand new look. But I got a set of these just to again use in future DIY projects, but I thought I would share these with you because really great find, super affordable, and very, very strong and sturdy for the price. So you're probably going to see these used on my channel very, very soon, and that was my last Amazon item. So guys, I hope I didn't talk too quickly. I feel like I might have, and I'm very, very sorry about that if I did. I'm gonna tone it down in the next one for sure. I always get comments about that. I'm just a quick talker. Like, I get so excited about things and I start rambling on about them and then I just go crazy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Is this something that you guys would like to see again on my channel? Whatever you would like to see, I would love to create for you. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and make sure to also subscribe to my channel for brand new DIY and home decor content every single week. You can also follow Lone Fox Home on Instagram, which is on the screen right here, and my personal one is I'm Drew Scott, which I'll put on the screen as well for you guys. And I think that's about all for today's video. I love you all so much. We're almost at 200K subscribers, which is insane, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, guys.